10 Amazon gadgets you must have. This innovative cleaner is a game changer for Windows. It features double squeegees and a built-in vacuum that work together to make your glassy surfaces sparkle, leaving them streak-free and drip-free. This is a clever grater that comes with 3 removable blades. It grates directly into a measuring cup and dispenses easily for simple and convenient cooking. This is a retractable wall charger that comes with 2 built-in cords to charge your devices and easily retracts when not in use, so you have no hanging wires. You can also plug in your own cords, and the outlet plug folds up for easy travel. This is a smart rice cooker that does all the work for you. Just add your rice, and it instantly weighs it. From there, you can choose your rice type on the touch screen or set a timer. It automatically calculates the exact water needed, and in just 34 minutes, you'll have perfectly cooked rice. These versatile glass lids can fit different-sized bowls and keep your solid foods from spilling out, making food storage a breeze. This rolling shopping cart has a 3-wheel design that makes it easy to wheel your groceries up the stairs. It is a great solution for older people and those with disabilities. This is a specialty bacon tray that helps you make perfect, non-greasy bacon every time. Place each piece sideways and the excess grease drains to the bottom, leaving you with the crispiest bacon. This space-saving ironing board has a slide-out iron rest and neatly folds up when not in use. It even has a pocket for your iron, and it's small enough to fit in a cupboard or drawer or light enough to hang up. This is a dual-sided crock pot that lets you cook 2 dishes at once in one place. Just slide in each non-stick pot and select your cook mode, temperature, and timer for both sides. You can use it to slow cook, sauté, bake, steam, and more. This rising projector screen can be placed at the foot of your bed, allowing you to comfortably watch TV or movies without having to mount a television.